Please rotate your phone for a better view and experience.
My name is Morgan Ortagus. I'm the Deputy Presidential Special Envoy to the Middle East. I work for Steve Witkoff and, of course, President Trump. And I bring you greetings from President Trump, from Steve Witkoff, and from our entire team and our brand new administration. It is thanks to President Aoun and the Prime Minister-designate Nawaf Salam and everyone in this government who is committed to an end of corruption, who's committed to reforms, and who are committed to making sure that Hezbollah is not a part of this government in any form, and that Hezbollah remains disarmed and militarily defeated. We have set clear red lines from the United States that they won't be able to terrorize the Lebanese people, and that includes by being a part of the government. So the end of Hezbollah's reign of terror in Lebanon and around the world has started. I've never seen so much excitement in the United States and from the Lebanese diaspora around the world about the future of this country. And I think it is largely in part, of course, because Hezbollah was defeated by Israel, and we are grateful to our ally Israel for defeating Hezbollah.
Hello, Jacinthe Antar from Al Jadid TV. My question is, will the Israeli army stay in the south of Lebanon, or will officially the stay be extended?
Yeah, so we committed to February 18th. That was a negotiation that my partner Eric Traeger at the National Security Council and I did with the Lebanese government and the Israeli government. And February 18th will be the date for redeployment whenever the IDF troops will finish their redeployment. And of course, the LAF troops will come in behind them. So we are very committed to